Hello, how are you today? Welcome to Bravo Satcom channel, your trusted source and partner for your critical communication needs. Today we're going to talk about iDirect X7 modem. And remember, our sales staff and customer service are ready. Contact us via email, call, or WhatsApp for immediate assistance. Now, without further ado, let's begin. At its heart, the X7 is built around the iDirect Evolution X7 modem, which brings some serious firepower to satellite communications. Modulation and throughput supports DVB-S2X with adaptive coding and modulation, or ACM, meaning it dynamically adjusts signal parameters to maintain the best possible link in changing conditions. Forward link, up to 500 megabits per second, ideal for high bandwidth applications like video streaming or large data transfers. Return link, up to 50 megabits per second, solid for real-time data telemetry, VoIP, or remote operations. Why this matters: older satellite systems struggle with spectral efficiency, but DVB-S2X squeezes more data into the same bandwidth, critical when every megahertz costs money. Multiband flexibility works across C-band, Ku-band, and Ka-band, but here's the catch: not all bands are supported simultaneously. Your specific hardware configuration determines which frequencies are available, so always verify before deployment. Network and protocols, full IPv4/IPv6 support, along with TCP/UDP acceleration to optimize traffic flow. QoS, or quality of service, ensures critical applications like VoIP or live video get priority over less urgent traffic. Security, AES-256 encryption and IPsec VPN support for secure communications, non-negotiable for military, government, or enterprise use. Satellite equipment doesn't always live in cozy server rooms. The X7 is designed to survive harsh conditions, but you need to understand its limits. Power requirements input. Voltage, 24 to 48 volts DC with an optional redundant power supply for failover setups. Power consumption, 60 watts typical, but spikes up to 120 watts under full load. Pro tip, always oversize your power supply. If you're running at max throughput in a desert environment, you don't want voltage drops killing your link. Temperature and durability standard operating range, minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 55 degrees Celsius, fine for most terrestrial uses. Extended range option, minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 70 degrees Celsius, necessary for Arctic deployments or desert sun exposure. Shock and vibration, MIL, STD-810G certified, meaning it can handle military-grade abuse. Tested for 5 to 500 Hz vibration resistance, perfect for vehicles, ships, or airborne setups. Key takeaway: if you're mounting this on a Humvee, a ship, or a drone, the X7 won't flinch. But if you're in extreme climates, double-check your model's specs. Satellite engineers live and die by RF specs. Here's what the X7 brings to the table. Transmit capabilities, output power. You can go up to 20 watts, 43 decibels milliwatts. For Ka-band, this is essential for maintaining strong uplinks in rain fade. Spectral purity, negative 50 decibels adjacent channel leakage, meaning it won't interfere with nearby satellites and get you in trouble with regulators. Receive sensitivity, G per T, figure of merit, 15 decibels per Kelvin. This is good signal reception even in weaker conditions. Required C to N, carrier to noise, 3 decibels for QPSK, 6 decibels for 8PSK. Why this matters? In bad weather, the modem automatically drops to more robust modulation, like QPSK, to keep the link alive. The X7 isn't just hardware. It's a software-defined networking, or SDN platform with smart traffic management. iDirect Pulse Management System, centralized monitoring, diagnostics, and real-time traffic shaping. You can prioritize VoIP over file downloads, ensuring mission-critical comms stay smooth. Firmware updates, field upgradable via secure FTP, but always verify compatibility first. Just a warning, bricking a satellite terminal in the middle of nowhere is expensive. Test updates in a controlled environment. The last point of this video is about where the X7 shines and where it doesn't. The following are the X7's best use cases. Number 1, Enterprise VSAT, which includes corporate networks, remote offices. Number 2, Military Communications on the Move, COTM. And number 3, oil and gas, maritime, aviation, anywhere rugged reliability is a must. Also, the following points are the limitations you should know. Point 1, latency. 500 plus milliseconds on GEO satellites. Fine for most comms, but don't try real-time gaming or high-frequency trading. And point number 2, high upfront investment. Justify it with mission-critical needs. Now, the final verdict. We can say that the iDirect X7 modem is a beast of a satellite router, rugged, high throughput, and packed with features for demanding environments. But like any high-performance tool, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Now, here are the things you have to remember before you deploy. Number 1, check your frequency bands. Know if it see call you cough bands, don't assume. Number 2, plan for power and cooling. 120 watts max means proper power budgeting. And number 3, test firmware updates. This is to avoid remote disasters. If you need reliable satellite comms in extreme conditions, the X7 delivers. Just engineer your setup wisely.